It's time to start your Renault Master Van H2-TECH. To start your vehicle, press the brake pedal, then turn the key. Make sure your gear selector is in the neutral position and turn the key until the green Go light is displayed in the driver cluster. If your vehicle's battery is fully charged, your fuel cell will not start immediately. It will turn on automatically once your traction battery's state of charge drops below 80%. To optimize your vehicle's consumption, the hydrogen system regulates as follows. When driving at low speed, the vehicle's fuel cell powers the electric motor and recharges your battery. Between 50 and 70 km per hour, the power level increases to meet the electric motor's power needs. When driving at 90 km per hour, the boost mode is activated. It maintains speed and limits the discharge of the vehicle's battery. To maximize your vehicle's range, we recommend adopting eco-friendly driving practices by limiting abrupt accelerations and braking. An eco mode can be activated by pressing the eco button. When activated, it limits speed to optimize the vehicle's range. Your vehicle comes equipped with two standard driving aids. The display to the right-hand side of the steering wheel allows you to view alerts. For the lane departure warning, this function alerts the driver if a lane is crossed without activating the turn signals with a flashing light and an audible alert. For the emergency braking warning, the system alerts the driver in case of a risk of frontal collision, allowing him to make appropriate emergency maneuvers. To benefit from the vehicle's full 400 km range, we recommend that customers fully recharge their vehicle's battery. Your Renault Master Van H2-TECH is a zero-emission mobility solution that emits only water, allowing you to enter low-emission zones risk-free. To learn more about the Renault Master H2-TECH, check out our other tutorials.